How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? We're back in the shed today. So in the last episode, you would have seen we stripped all the front out of the Falcon. So in this episode, we're going to start attacking the rear. So we're going to drop the diff, the sway bar, all the trailing arms, the rest of the brake lines, all the other sort of stuff. We're going to get all that out, maybe as well as the fuel tank and the rear bumper. We're going to take all that off, and then that'll wrap up this episode. And then in the next episode, we're going to body deaden the whole thing. So stay tuned and let's get on with it. Alright folks, so as you've just seen, I've ripped the diff out, so that is all out. Now I'm in the boot now. I'm going to rip the rear bumper off again. It's only held in with 2 bolts at the moment because I've had it off before. So I'm going to rip the rear bumper off, and then I'm going to pull the fuel tank out, and then I'm going to pull the shocks out. Once those 3 things are out, it's stripped. Then we can get into the underbody coating and then get this thing all nice and coated up. Hopefully I'll send all the stuff off for zinc plating, and then we can start putting it all back together. So stay tuned and let's get this tank out. Alright guys, so that wraps up another night in the shed. So the rear end is stripped, everything bar the rear shocks, but I'll rip them out later on. So yeah, maybe even in the next episode, depends if I want to put it in. Anyways, don't forget to check out my Patreon, the link is in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your mates. This has been an absolute roller coaster of emotion already, and all we've done is strip it down. We've still got to put it back together and put a barrow in it. So stay tuned for the episodes. Thank you very much for watching. Every Thursday I'm trying to upload an episode, so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so you get a notification. Usually around 6 AM on the Thursday mornings I should upload them. Anyways, thanks again. We'll see you in the next episode. See you guys.